Whoa. That went far.
What?
Noodles flew. Here, baby. Oh, you got a big piece.
I just spit it out. I haven't yet learned how to eat big food, Mommy. Big people food is hard right now.
It's in your mouth. Take it out. She don't like it.
God, that scared me. You don't have to eat it, Caitlin, if you don't want it.
Yes, those are, I guess Gattuki is also kind of spicy. Yeah, you can find some. You don't like it? I think that's where your no like you.
Is it bad? We've never seen this.